Established in Foshan, China 1993, Hyrite Lighting Co. remains a professional manufacturer of switch-mode power supply for LEDs. Our products have been widely used in signage, commercial lighting and decorative lighting, etc. We provide customers with an extensive range of LED power supplies, including 20 million single or universal voltage inputs, 5 to 48 volt outputs, ingress protection grade for indoor purposes to the outdoor waterproof IP68. In addition, we hold several certificates, such as CE, TUV, UL, FCC, SA, CTIC, SASO, BIS, PIC, and CCC, etc. Meeting various safety or electrical standards. Underlying the mass manufacturing of products are our workshops, which in total cover an area of 11,000 square meters and include 10 production lines for different product series. The manufacturing capacity per month is approximately 300,000 units, including regular and customized models. All units will have 100% online burn-in test before shipping out. In parallel, a new factory covering 20,000 square meters land area and 40,000 square meters workshop area is currently under construction in the industrial zone of Sanshui, Foshan, which is expected to be fully functioning in less than a year. Since founding, over 50 million pieces of Hyrite power supplies have been delivered to more than 3,000 customers in over 100 countries worldwide. In hope for establishing long-term mutually beneficial relationships, we offer you with durable, competitive products and prompt service, which would make Hyrite your best choice for power source for LED lighting.